Hello guys, welcome to iTutor. Today we will discuss the research methodology MCQs. We will see the 20 questions most important and last year question paper से लिया है. So we will see the questions and discuss it. The first question is, which of the set of activities best indicate the cyclic nature of action research strategy? So here answer is fourth one, that is plan, act, observe and reflect. Hope you remember all these topics we discussed in last videos. If you have any doubts, you just follow the last videos. And here first of all we need a plan, right? A set of activities best indicate the cyclic nature of action research strategy. So what you want in the first time, it's a plan. There is a plan, then you need to act about the same and observe it, and you just reflect it as your research paper, right? Which of the following sequence of research step is nearer to scientific method? So here answer is third one, and it's defining a problem. First of all, as a scientific method, you first defining the problem and identify the cause of the problem, and defining a population, drawing a sample and collecting data and analyzing the result. That is the sequences of research steps in nearer to scientific method. Okay, hope you understood. And the third question is the problem of research ethics. Hope you remember the research ethics video. And the problem of research ethics is concerned with which aspect of research activities? It is evidence-based research reporting. So option is fourth is the right answer. And next question, the fourth question is, in which of the following activities potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater? It is in participation in workshops. That is the answer here. Look at another options: preparing research summary, presenting a seminar paper, participation in research conference, participation in workshops. So here suitable answer is participation in workshop. That is the activity or potential for nurturing creative and critical thinking is relatively greater in workshops only. Okay. And next question is, which of the following research type focus on ameliorating the prevailing situation? So here action research is suitable here. The answer is 3. Action research is a research type. Action research is the research type focus on ameliorating the prevailing situation. And the sixth question is, a researcher attempts to evaluate the effect of method of feeding on anxiety pronesis of children. Which method of research would be appropriate for? Here ex post facto method. Okay, you just see the research methods we discussed in last video. We discussed the ex post facto method. You refer that video. Okay, so here answer is answer 3. In which of the following arrangements a wider spectrum of ideas and issues may be made possible? So workshop mode. Okay, it's a workshop mode only. The ideas and issues may be made possible. Okay. And in next question, in finalizing a thesis writing format, which of the following would form part of supplementary pages? Okay, so the list of tables and figures are in the supplementary pages. We saw already the format of research or thesis writing. Okay, follow that video, you will get the answer from there. So here answer is 1, list of table and figures. And ninth question, the principal of a school conduct an interview session of teachers and students with a view to explore the possibility of their enhanced participation in school programs. This endeavor may be related to which type of research? Okay, this is action research. So here answer is 3. And next question, in doing action research, what is the usual sequence of steps? Okay, it's a plan, act, observe and reflect. That is the sequence of the steps in the action research. So here answer is second one. And 11th question is, which of the following are the characteristics of a seminar? So here A, B, C, D are the options. You can select the characteristics from here. Okay, so maybe more than one characteristics is there for a seminar. Okay, so here A, it is a form of academic instruction. Okay, that is right, it's a characteristics of seminar. And next one is it involves questioning, discussion and debates. Okay, that's also right. As a seminar we will question in any doubt is there in seminar, and we will discuss the topic and debate it. Okay, so these are the characteristics. And next one, it involves large group of individuals. It's not a group program, it's a it's not about the individuals, the all group, right? And next one is it needs involvement of skilled person. That's also right. Okay, seminar need a skilled persons. So here answer is D, A, B and D. So select the correct answer from the codes given below. So here A, B and D are the correct codes and answers. So we select the options D. Researcher, next question. So question number 12. A researcher is interested in studying the prospect of a particular political party in an urban area. What tool should be preferred for the study? Okay, so a researcher is studying about a political party in urban area. Okay, so what is the tool to prefer for that study? Because it's here is data collection method. Which data collection method you just choose it? Okay, that's a basic question here. So here appropriate answer is questionnaire. Okay, you need to prepare a questionnaire and spread it in that society or urban area where you are focusing the area. You just spread the questionnaire and you can collect the answers from the individual. So you will get the answer for that. So questionnaire is here is the correct way and correct preferable study tool here. Okay, so answer is C. And 13th question, ethical norm in research do not involve guidelines for. So answer, so read the question properly here. Ethical norms in research do not involve, okay, do not involve guidelines for thesis format. There is not involved in the thesis format. It's a copyright is a ethical form, and patenting policy is an ethical form, and data sharing policies also there is an ethics in there. Okay, but the thesis format we are not following the ethical norms. Okay, we are, that's a different step for thesis format. So here आंसर इज ए. हियर रिसर्च डू नॉट इन्वॉल्व पूछा है, सो यहाँ पे आंसर कौन सा आएगा? नेगेटिव ओनली आएगा. ओके, इफ इन केस इट्स इन्वॉल्व पूछा है तो बी सी डी आर ऑल आर करेक्ट. ओके, and 14th question is consider the argument given below. What is the argument here? Pre-employment testing of teachers is quite fair because doctors, architects and engineers who are now employed had to face such a testing. What type of argument it is? So argument is pre-employment testing of teachers is quite fair because doctors, architects and engineers who are now employed had to face such a testing. So here the type of argument is analogical type. Okay, so here answer is B. And 15th question is a definition that has a meaning that is deliberately assigned to some symbol is called stipulative symbol. Okay, so answer is C here. And the next question, 16th question, a cluster of propositions with a structure that exhibits some inference is called an argument. Okay, a cluster of proposition with a structure that exhibits some inference, it is called an argument. So answer is B. And next question is a good thesis writing should involve what all things are in the good thesis writing? That is our question. Okay, reduction of punctuation and grammatical errors to a minimum, that is right, and careful checking of inference, that's also right, and consistency in the way the thesis is written, consistency is very important, and a clear and well written abstract, right? So A, B, C, D are correct. So here answer is option A. So all of these are the involved in a good thesis writing, right? The conclusion, next question, the conclusion or findings of which type of research cannot be generalized to other situation? Here experimental research is the answer. So here answer is option C. And next question is, when the purpose of a definition is explain the user or to eliminate ambiguity, the definition is called theoretical definition. Okay, answer is B. And next question, the last question is, what is research design? So definition of research design, all we discuss in the research aptitude videos. You just follow the research aptitude videos, so you will definitely answer these 20 questions easily. Okay, so here answer is the research design is a framework for every stage of the collection and the analysis of data. So here answer is option D, that is a apt definition for research design. Okay, hope you, these all are simple questions, and also UGC asked in the last years 2018, 2019, 20 questions follow this paper 1. So these are the last year question paper from UGC net exams only. Hope you understood. If you have any doubts, if you need any explanation more, you can comment it on comment box. I will definitely reply you. Okay, if you like the video, then you like it and subscribe our channel for more information about UGC net exam unit also. Okay, thank you.